Have you ever wondered, can this little keyboard replace a full-sized keyboard? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and welcome to Level Up Gaming and Tech. Today we have the N Pro 2 keyboards for a review. There are three most popular keyboard sizes: the full size or 104 keys, TKL or 10 keyless or 87 keys, and 60% or 61 key size like this one. This is the N Pro 2 from ObinsLab. One of, if not the most popular 60% keyboard on the market. Don't be fooled by the looks. Even this small in size, it is featured packed with all the latest bells and whistles. It has per-key RGB illumination, fully programmable via ObinsLab software, macro keys programming, 4 layers of fully programmable keys, meaning you don't get the 61 keys in total, it means you get 4 times that. So, you see my point here? So the frame is made out of plastic. It doesn't wobble, it's sturdy, it's stiff. It does not have that awful ping noise when you type on it. It doesn't say ping, ping, ping. It just works as it should. But sadly, it does not come with the adjustable feet. It just has these 4 rubber grommets, feet, however you want to call it, but it's slanted perfectly, as you can see, so it does not offend anyone's taste. Out of the box, it comes with Type-C USB cable, keycap puller, and set of colorful keycaps if you want to customize it a little bit. You can also install a full set of custom keycaps, as it has the Cherry MX style switches. Ours came with Gateron Blue switches, or Gateron, I don't know how it's pronounced, meaning that they are clicky tactile switches. They are not as noisy as Cherry MX version, and the spring on them is a little bit lighter too. They feel as Cherry MX Browns in terms of actuation force, which is 45 grams, but with a click. That being said, I have had no issues with these switches and have used them many times in the past. Gateron switches are considered a top-tier copycat of the original Cherry MX switches. Keycaps, it comes with our PBT double-shot keycaps, which means the legends are made of translucent plastic and won't wear off during time. Since it's made from PBT plastic, it won't get shiny during time, as it is much more durable and has much better feeling when typed on compared to the traditional ABS plastic keycaps. What also surprised me is that it uses traditional Cherry style stabilizers, which are lubed and not rattled at all. If you come from a full-size keyboard, you might wonder, where are the arrow keys? I miss my arrow keys. They are right here. The Shift, the Function 2, Function 1 and Control are your arrow keys. It has this so-called tap function, so this means up key, down key, left key, right key. Also, you can use with combination of Function 1 and WASD. It will also give you the arrow support. If you press them and release them quickly, they act up as arrow keys, but you hold them just a millisecond more and they act as normal keys that they are intended to be. Pretty neat function. It also features Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity and can be paired with up to 4 devices, meaning it can be used wirelessly and will still look sleek in every setup. Just disconnect the USB cable and flip the switch on the bottom and you are ready to go. Note that you have to buy a Bluetooth adapter separately, as it doesn't come with one included, or if your device does not have one built in. Battery lasts up to 8 hours with full RGB mode on, and turning it off can give you some more usage time. It's rated at 1500 mAh. While using it in Bluetooth mode, lights will be turned off after some time of inactivity to save power. But when pressing any key again, it will turn back on. As I mentioned before, it is fully RGB customizable and is evenly lit across the whole board. Out of the box, it comes with several pre-installed modes which can be activated by pressing Function 2 plus F10 to turn on and function 2 plus F9 to cycle between the modes. Pressing function 2 plus F11 or F12 will change the brightness of the lights. You can even customize it to your style and save the preset in the keyboard. Obins software allows you to save up to 16 different lighting modes to it. So let's hear how it sounds. Let's talk about the software a little bit. This is the ObinsLab kit software it comes with. They did a great job with this software. You can customize every aspect of the keyboard. Take a look. When you first start this software, you should update to the latest firmware, but update to the latest available, not just the latest stable one, if you want to use all the features of the keyboard, because it adds some lighting modes that are not available in previous versions. I have been using it for more than a week now and I haven't noticed any bugs yet. Every change you make in the software can be downloaded to the keyboard and stored in onboard memory, so there is no need to have ObinsLab software on another computer. If you take your keyboard somewhere with you, you will have all your settings stored in it. Bear in mind that you need a USB cable for the software to work. You can't make any changes via Bluetooth. You can customize every aspect of the keyboard, from backlight to function keys, per key programming and also macro functions. Also the awesome tap function, which enables you to program keys to react to different functions when just quickly tapped, for example arrow keys that I mentioned on the right side as you can see. And let's say we want to program left alt to be mute. We can do it, just check this out. Tap it quickly and it mutes the volume of your PC. Press it just a little bit more and it functions as alt key. Neat! There are also settings for different typing layouts, which are saved directly to the keyboard, so no need to set it in Windows or a Mac. So let's say you want to use it on a Mac. Change the mode to Mac, and as you can see, some keys change their functions as they would be on a Mac keyboard. Regarding the lighting modes, possibilities here are more than plenty. You can choose from more than enough factory presets, or you can create some of your own, like this Miami Nights layout or popular Vaporwave, or any combination you wish. Here you can record macros if you want, just press record and do what you want to do and save that macro to a certain key. And here is a new cool function, it reacts to music. You can get a nice EQ on your keyboard while listening to music. This keyboard is excellently built. It comes with Bluetooth out of the box. It comes with PBT keycaps out of the box again. It comes with Type-C connection and you can program any key on it. Though that's only 5 pros, but it has many more. So what would be the cons of this keyboard? I found only 3 of them. It does not come with the adjustable feet, it does not have the palm rest, and the size might be intimidating to some users, but this might not be a con. If you're an advanced user or just want to try how it compares to full-size keyboards, I encourage you to get one. You will be positively surprised. In the beginning, it might be hard to get used to having no extra keys on the side, like arrow keys, page up and down, the numpad, but it all comes to place once you get accustomed to it. I never thought that a 60% keyboard can replace a full-size one, but N Pro 2 changed my mind and it is now my daily driver keyboard. I feel no need to switch back to full-size, nor do I feel that I am missing some keys. To be honest, sitting position with this keyboard is much better as your hands are not that much separated and you gain some more mouse space. Also, that feeling of just looking at it in your setup is priceless. So if you wanna buy this keyboard, link will be down in the description. It was provided by Banggood, so thank you Banggood, and if you wanna follow us on Instagram, do so, links will be down in the description also, and I don't know, see you later. One last thing, you should join our Discord server. Links down.